blood in the framing.
Filmmaker Berserk Anthem. I lit the fuse behind my eyes as they fed me deals wrapped in lies. They smiled and stole what I bled, told me art was dead unless I played by the rules instead. Hell no, she is Queen Berserker, Krista Grotte Saxon, and he is King Gold Brand. But I carved my will in celluloid, a war machine they can't avoid. Contracts like shackles, master's gold. But I read the fine print and burn the mold. Every shot's a battlefield, every frame's a fight. They trained you to be silent, we train you to ignite. This is blood in the frame, ink on the blade. We don't beg for green lights, we make them afraid. You want glory or graves? Then learn the game. Won't bum the war, we're Filmmaker Berserk. You're not the same. Pitch decks built like dossiers, I track distributors like prey. I know the loopholes, lies, and leads. I've seen the paper trails that bleed. Music rights, sag lines, and bonds. They prey on artists who don't respond. But I came back, forged in fire, a filmmaker wired to never expire. They think you won't notice, they hide the back end. They dilute your credits and call it the end. But you're not dead, you're just waking up, and we're loading your mind like a chambered gun. This is blood in the frame, contracts and flames. We don't sell our souls just to buy fake fame. You want freedom or shame? Then learn the name, Filmmaker Berserk. We train you to maim. IP is armor, deliverables are landmines, distribution is war. But we made a map, and it's written in vengeance.